welcome back to the channel, and we're actually solving August 6th question today. Alright, so this is a medium question, minimum number of pushes to type word second. So you give it a telephone keypads that have key maps with distinct collections of lowercase English letters, and then if let's say I want to type a number, we want to return the minimum number of pushes needed to type a word after remapping. So you can remap whatever you like depending on the frequency that you need to type some words. So let's say if you want to do A, B, C, D, E, you could just put A, B, C, D, E in a different location where you could just press it for once. And then let's say you have X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. You can just put X, Y, Z in the first, as the first letter of when you're mapping on a key. So you don't have to do it again and again. So let's say you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. You have 8. I believe it's 8. So you can put A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay. So there's more than this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So you have 9. You have 9 distinct characters, but there's only 8 pad for you. So notice that they put I in the first one and H in the second one. So it means that H probably has like the least frequency that you need to put, and then you're running out of space, so you put H in the second one. All right. So we'll figure out how to do it. The keypad is not given. You can remap it however you want, and then we just want to return the minimum number of pushes needed to type the word. So the key point here is you try to find a frequency of each letter being used. If this is the top 8 that being used, you want to map them to the first letter of each list, and then if they're like coming next after 8, you know that this is maybe the tier 1 and tier 2, right? Tier 1 is the highest top 8 frequency that use, and then tier 2 is like top 16 but not top 8, and then you know that that's also high frequency, so you want to press 2 times in order to get there. And then the least frequency is like the third tier or fourth tier, seeing that there's like SVZ that seldom be used, probably that's why they put it there. All right, so here we can just start with defining a frequency array 0 times 26 representing 26 letters, and then you can go through the word of each character, and then we can set the frequency of the ASCII number of the character minus A, and then plus equals 1. So this will set frequency 0 means A, and then frequency 1 is the frequency for B, something like that. So I'm not saying that this is, for example, A equals A, but this means the frequency for A. Right. So at the end, we want to sort it. So sorting always is sort in the increasing order, but we want to sort it in the non-decreasing. Oh no, we want to sort it in decreasing order because we want to see the highest user frequency. So we want to set the reverse equals to true. So if let's say I put in a frequency right here, then just let me return 1 or something. All right. If you put in the frequency right here, you can see there's actually 26 of them. And then we don't actually need to process like here because we all know this will be 0. So only care about whatever happened here. So this is XYZ, and then this is, you can see maybe I. Yeah, I is a 6 that happens 6 times, and then everything else happens 2 times, right? All right. So I need this print. So we can set result equals 0, and then we can start going through the frequency, right? So for I in range, you can just set 26 because you know there's at most 26 to process. So we can say result plus equals to I divided by 8 plus 1. So if this is 0 to 7, you want to plus 1 because it's 1, and then multiply by frequency of I. So if it is a top 8 of them, you only need to press 1 time. So this is how it makes it. When it is the second one, is go over 8, right? Maybe 9, and then you need to press 2 times. That's why I use 2 times the frequency, right? And then we can also set a breaking condition. If we find frequency at I is equal to 0, means there's no more character will be afterwards. You just break it. Either way, you plus it multiply by 0, it doesn't matter. So at the end, you just return result. Okay, this one as well, you're just going through the array once, and then it's just O of n, and then you sort it of n log n, and then you do it for a constant time of 26 times at most. All right, see you in the next video.